Umenyo wa kuhuthira teknoloji ni undu ukoretwo ukihotithia andu aingi gukinyaniria maundu matiganite na oho ona kuhuthia mathomo na njira nene. Na riu Ritana ni riikitio kuri thukuru cia arutwo aria marĩ na mawathe kuhimbiria teknoloji hari gukinyaniria mathomo kuri arutwo kuona mathomo mao no mahuthe.
Technology for equality for
Muikariri giti wa kiama kia arutani a thukuru cia secondary KUPPET kaunti ya Kiambu Kuri niwe wikitie Ritana riri ari thukuru-ini wa Joy Town mwena wa Thika, akiuga arutwo aya mangionio kuhuthira teknoloji no mathomage ona marĩ mĩciĩ mategwikinya mathukuru-ini, undu uria ukumehereria mihinga iria matunganaga nayo kumana na wathe wao.
money to demonstrate that how it's able to enable one learner who is studying in a tertiary institution and how she's able to learn through technology and be like that learner who is in the physical classroom.
Munini wa karani wa KUPPET Kiambu Pauline Thangwa augite uhimbirio wa teknoloji ni undu kuhe arutwo the mieke iganaine gutekumakania kana marĩ na wathe kana matiri.
Have been given a way that they can use digital to make it in life, that it equalizes everybody, that when you go digital you are able to do that with the other person. And I also want to encourage parents who are out there having children with disability, having girls with disability, to not hide them anymore, bring them to school and they will get a better education.
Kiiru niongereire kuga ati hari na bata wa gukiria na guteithĩrĩria ciana cia tuhĩ mathukuru-ini na nginyagia aria marĩ mĩciĩ-inĩ ya ciana.
Boy child is not really taken care of these days, and it is the high time every stakeholder look at the boy child so that we can empower our boys.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njĩtagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.